my channel. It's 2023, so happy new year. I can't actually believe that it's 2023. Like, where did the last 3 years go? That's a little concerning. Anyway, to wrap up my 2022 and kick off 2023, this is a what I made in 2022 / what I didn't make and didn't finish in 2022. There's some shoes in there, there's some skirts, there's some dresses, there's some cool tops, and then there's a couple of fails. If you'd like to see what I made in 2022, then stick around on the first day of your new year, because as if you've got anything better to do. Okay, so the first thing I made in 2022 was actually this really cool skirt. So I basically made a faux leather skirt and then stuck on some like meters of fringing. And yeah, it's got a cute little closure there, the clip closure. This was for a Mardi Gras / space rave themed party. So it worked. Instead of photo of what I wore it with, I wore it with a bright pink top. And I think it went pretty well. I could actually do a tutorial on this if there was anyone that wanted to see it. Okay, so my next piece was actually 2 pieces. So at the same time as making that space rave Mardi Gras themed skirt, I was making boots to try and match with them, but I didn't actually finish them in time, which was really devastating because they're actually really cute. They look pretty spacey, I think, kind of like space Doc Martens, but that's just me acting like I'm totally like high fashion, but whatever. There's little tags on the back, there's a little tongue, and yeah, the soling I did a bit weirdly. Haven't actually worn them yet, but could. Okay, so after the space rave themed shoes and skirt, I went and made my Saucy Cindy Halloween costume. I actually didn't get invited to any Halloween parties. In the end, shock, I can't actually believe it. So again, I'll stick in a couple of photos of this and how it turned out. But there is a video, which I will also link. And of course, there's the matching skirt, which, you know, both of which I think worked out pretty well. And there's a little zip closure on that one, so it's a little 2-piece. To go with Saucy Cindy's outfit, of course, were Saucy Cindy's boots. She didn't want anything that was going to fall off. They are bedazzled at the back and bit burgundy on the sides. So I'm quite proud of these. These are my best sort of shoe efforts to date. There's a little zip as well, and yeah, so made these based off of the shoe course I started 1 year ago. I bought it on New Year's Eve 2021. So after that, I made what is probably my absolute favorite, my Emily Ratajkowski yellow satin dress with a satin ribbon tie that you can see. Yes, I am using socks to pin this on because I didn't want to mark, you know how it kind of, like the clamps here put marks on the fabric? I didn't want that. Yeah, so it's a midi skirt on one side, there's a side slit, it's a maxi skirt on the other, and then there's 2 cute halter neck pieces. Next was my thrifting flips. So from my friend's old oversized denim jacket that I was given / stole from her, I made this cute little denim crop top which has some boning as well. little clip closures at the back, the same as the Space Rave skirt. And yeah, I added a couple of pieces of patches to the back because yeah, you can see my nipples on these ones, so not so cute. So following on with the thrift flipping, and from the same denim jacket, I made this denim corset belt, which, let me take it off. It's sort of, you know, you wear it with a shirt dress, and it goes like this, wraps around and ties at the back. So similar to the Saucy Cindy corset, but without the bit over the chest. So to start my year off, I actually, after the Space Rave skirt, tried to make this dress for a friend's birthday, which I didn't finish. I created a pattern on this online website where you can sort of do your own pattern, but yeah, didn't get around to finishing it and didn't know if it would be that cute. I think I needed fabric that would sit a little bit flatter, maybe something a bit lighter, because this was just a little too rigid and wasn't going to give the look I wanted for the event. Another fail that happened was I saw a photo. I don't know if I can insert what I was going for, but attempted to create a dress. I was sort of changing a pattern that my mum had of just a random dress. But yeah, it didn't work out, and for, I think it was my first clothing sewing attempt ever, the pleats were really, really hard. So also didn't finish this one, but still have some of the material left, so I'm thinking of making like a midi skirt or mini skirt or something, because I think it would be quite cute. That was my 2022 wrapped up. I hope you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. I hope you liked the sewing and shoemaking that I did and the couple of fails, because there's always going to be some fails. It's hard when you start working on a sewing project, realize it's not working out, and then you either stop or finish it and sort of use more of your resources. So yeah, I'm excited for 2023. I think there's gonna be a tennis skirt, potentially bikini. So lots to look forward to. And I'll see you in the second video of 2023. Can't believe it. That's just so wild.